Good morning. Okay, here, coffee, your cream, your knife and fork, breakfast tacos, breakfast burritos, and of course, a fruit plate.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome, you guys. See you
Have a
for
good one.
lunch. Yeah.
So this morning we got the room service breakfast. And got the tacos. Fruit plate.
Breakfast
and
burrito.
Breakfast burrito.
And I think the muffin today, I think she said it's a carrot muffin. So we originally ordered we pre-ordered last night for 9 o'clock, but then we woke up today at like 6 o'clock. So we called and switched it for 7:30.
So we've been kind of lazy this morning so far. It's like 10:30, right? And
Kind of lazy would be an understatement.
we did do some uploading anyways for the video for the travel day, so you guys could see. Brittany almost finished her book.
It's a good book.
So now we're gonna do our walking now, and they asked, the server came to pick up our dirty dishes, and oh, you guys
Want your room clean?
you want your room cleaned today, or we don't want to have bad service for you? So no, we're gonna go now, we said. So
Yeah, so we're gonna walk probably at least like 45 minutes would be a good goal, but it's real hot. What is on tap for today? So tonight there is a Belizean buffet. There is also karaoke. So two things I do not like are buffets and karaoke. But I actually think that Miss Jude's food will be wonderful. We asked about it last night and they said they recommend getting there early so you have, you know, hot food and all the options before, you know, it goes. So that's what we have on tap. And I asked about, because we've been selecting our lunch when we order our breakfast, and they said that today was fajitas, so we don't need to pre-order that, and it's either shrimp or chicken. So that's all I know right now.
we also, I have the snorkeling at 2. So
Yes, snorkeling at 2 o'clock.
Brittany will probably stay behind. and-
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. It's okay. All right, we're gonna start our walk.
So now we'll start a time lapse from here and go to the other side.
So our walk time from end to end was 5 minutes. So it's probably a pretty good average. We weren't running, but we weren't out on a Sunday stroll either. So about 5 minutes end to end. So we got like quite a few more of these to do.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Away from the music a little bit. I don't want to copyright it. So the Bellican beer, first time trying it. Not bad. Beautiful water here. What'd you get?
I got a banana daiquiri. It just sounded delectable. We're gonna have lunch.
So we got fajitas for lunch. I got the chicken. And Brittany got the shrimp.
And homemade tortillas.
Homemade tortillas. We got the chocolate with the fruit sauce ice cream. And they brought out a special since Brittany doesn't like chocolate.
I got a key lime pie, like a frozen key lime pie. So I like chocolate, physical chocolate, but I don't like chocolate cake or chocolate ice cream. They brought me a little special treat. That's so good. Kevin's a little jealous right now.
What were your thoughts on lunch?
Delicious as always. We're just keeping the streak alive of not a bad meal. finished off with a little delicious frozen key lime pie. That was really the icing on the cake here. How was yours?
It was good. I liked it. Good chicken and flavorful. Everything. The veggies were good with it. The homemade corn tortillas. Very good.
Everything was great. We found out bar snacks are going to be, I think, jalapeno poppers. So can't go wrong. Can't go wrong.
So I'm ready to go. I got my snorkel, my fins are over there. I'm just waiting on the group. I'm the first one here. There's about 15 of us, so we're taking 2 separate boats, 10 and 5. There's a big group of women here. I think they're going to be the 10, and then there's 4 other people. Tonight's dinner.
Lobster is not dead. She just molted from the shell.
Oh!
And when it comes to like the underneath the fin or the flipper, whatever it's called there, is by that I can tell you that this is a male lobster.
Kev's out snorkeling, but he should be back in like 10 minutes. I just finished this book. If you like thrillers, this was a really good one. I have had this on my list of like to be read for a while, and I usually read books that are free on Kindle Unlimited, and this is not free yet. And the day we arrived, they have like a little like free library, like take a book, leave a book, and I saw it, and so I grabbed it because I knew I wanted to read it, and it was really good. So I'm gonna go put it back in the little library now, and I'll show y'all where that is.
That was good timing.
I just turned my book in.
Oh, you did?
I already told the people. So just in time for a little happy hour snack.
So I didn't talk about the snorkel, but it was fun. We saw a couple jellyfish, regular fish, lobster. It wasn't live, I guess. And a big, what do you call it? A big crab, huge. So how was your time? You just read?
It was good. I finished my book.
So what'd you get?
We got a raspberry mojito today with coconut rum.
Good.
Fresh, yeah. We're gonna go catch the sunset. It looks like it should be better than last night because we can really see the sun tonight. There's definitely not as many clouds. I'm a little more cash. My tank top is from Walmart, and I don't know if you can see my pants, but I have linen pants on from Old Navy. Kevin, you cannot see him, but he has a shirt from Old Navy and pants or shorts from Costco. Again, it doesn't matter what you wear. If I wanted to wear my robe, I'd wear my robe. Nobody cares what you're wearing. Nobody cares about anything. You just go cash, you go fancy, you do whatever you want to do here.
green whole shot, gluten-free.
We didn't ask for these. Oh, it kind of tastes like cotton candy. It tastes like cotton candy?
Yeah.
We asked what it was, he's like, it's gluten-free. I'm like, that doesn't matter to me. Alright, I got a little assortment, chicken, fried fish, salad, bread, a pasta salad. I've got lots of goodies.
I think I got the everything like you, but rice.
Yeah. Alright, the day is done. Dinner was good, so I was, you know, worried about the buffet and how it would be. Not because I thought the food was going to be bad, just because I just don't love buffets. And I think I have no complaints. The food was good. It was probably my least favorite meal just because it's a buffet. I think my favorite thing was the pasta salad for sure. That was really good. What was your favorite?
I was gonna say the same thing, pasta salad.
Kev agrees, pasta salad.
But I liked it. I liked the buffet.
But Kev liked the buffet.
It was a good change.
It was a good change of pace for Kev. They're starting up karaoke. They're not doing it yet, but there's karaoke tonight, which is like a fan favorite over here. If you're not familiar, there's really no entertainment at all here. Karaoke, they do that once a week. But I was just told by Irvin, the bar manager, that they are wanting to get an entertainment director and they do want to start having some type of entertainment. The thing is, with a resort this small with like 40 people, it really is going to depend who is on the island as to what people want to do and who wants to participate and who doesn't. And I said, but at least if you have something to offer, you know, then people can say yes or no, they don't want to do it. Right now, there's just nothing being offered. We were saying that we would love to see like bingo or something at happy hour because we've been to a lot of resorts and the bingo cards always sell out. Like there's always people that cannot play because all the cards are taken. So I feel like that would be, you know, something fun to add in. Anyway, this is a lot of rambling. We have massages in the morning, so we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.